अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं केरला स्टाइल मटन करी। मैंने इससे पहले भी केरला स्टाइल का एक बनाया हुआ है। दिस इज़ अनदर वन। इसमें वी आर नॉट यूजिंग एनी कोकोनट. दिस इज़ नॉट अ कोकोनट बेस्ड ग्रेवी. सो प्लीज़ डू ट्राई इट आउट. वेरी इजी टू मेक. चलो शुरू करते हैं. The first step is to boil the mutton to 90%. So take a pressure pan or a pressure cooker, add 250 grams of mutton, also add quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. We are adding half a teaspoon salt as well. The remaining salt we will add with the rest of the masala. Also add half a cup of water, mix well, cover and pressure cook for 3 whistles or till 90% done. Cook for the first whistle on high flame and the remaining 2 on medium flame. After 3 whistles, once the cooker has cooled down, open and check whether the meat is done. Now remove to another container so that we can make the masala and boil the potatoes in the same vessel. Now into the pressure pan add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add a big handful of chopped small onions. That is around 100 grams of button onions. It is also called sambar onions, cherry in Malayalam, shallots. So add that and saute till light brown. Once the onions turn light brown, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 3/4 teaspoons of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Drizzle water if necessary so that the masala does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, a few curry leaves and 2 green chilies slit. Continue sauteing till the onions turn golden brown. Now add the spice powders. This part of the video got deleted. Very sorry for that. So I have added 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Saute. Continue sauteing. Add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute till the tomatoes become slightly soft. Saute on low flame. Now add the boiled mutton along with the gravy. Mix well. Add 4 medium-sized potatoes, halved. Add half a cup of water. Now adjust the spices according to your preference. Cover and pressure cook for another 2 whistles. Once cool, open and garnish with more curry leaves or coriander leaves. Cover with the lid and let it rest for some time till you serve. Kerala style mutton curry is now ready to serve. It goes very well with rice, appams and chapatis. So please do try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.